At Spice World 2023, we've had the amazing opportunity to speak with some of the best IT professionals in the United States. They've shared their experiences using EdrawMax and EdrawMind. They've also let us know how it works perfectly for their integrated solutions, improving their workflow.
It's always interesting to see what other options there are out there. So EdrawMax particularly was of interest to me. We use this a lot in diagramming how our flows work within the industry, within our clients, showcasing to our clients how they take, how the sales funnel works for them, how we take their data and transform it into manageable assets that they can then use for their media planning. Seeing a diagramming tool that my average user can use could be pretty useful, and I'd like to see how that performs versus a really complicated tool like the competition. Microsoft Visio, which fantastic tool, but it's pretty complex. It has a bit of a price to it as well.